In this video, we will learn two-step inequalities. So we have here example number 1, 6b minus 5 is greater than or equal to 19. Okay, so we'll write the inequality again. Okay, take note that our goal is to isolate the variable b. So that means we will eliminate minus 5 or negative 5 and eliminate 6. So we will do our first step. So we will eliminate minus 5 first. So to do that, we will get the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. So add 5 to both sides. So here, since we are adding 5, we apply the addition property of inequality. So we will cancel this out and cancel that out. So the leftover here, or the remaining term at the left side of the inequality, is 6b. The symbol is greater than or equal to. And then work on this. 19 plus 5 is 24. Now here we have the new inequality is 6b is greater than or equal to 24. Now we will proceed to step number 2. So here we notice that 6 is multiplied by the variable b. So when you see multiplication like this, you have to get the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides by 6. So here we apply the division property of inequality, and we can cancel out 6. So we have here b is by itself. The symbol is greater than or equal to. And then here 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the solution is b is greater than or equal to 4. Then draw a number line to graph the solution. So we have here 4 in the middle. At the right of 4, we have 5, 6, and so on. Left, we have 3, 2, and so on. The symbol is greater than or equal to. That means we will draw a closed circle. Since it is greater than, that means the direction is to the right. Now, it is greater than or equal to closed circle, which means 4 is included. So it starts at 4. Okay, solve y over negative 2 plus 3 is greater than 11. So write the inequality again. Y over negative 2 plus 3 is greater than 11. So we will do the first step. So we will eliminate positive 3 here, and we will also eliminate negative 2. So we will eliminate positive 3 first. So we see addition sign, so the inverse is subtraction. So subtract 3 to both sides. Then cancel this out. So the leftover is y over negative 2. And then symbol is greater than, and we have 11 minus 3 is 8. Now here, we have a fraction bar, so that means division. So get the inverse of division, which is multiplication. So we will multiply both sides by negative 2. So this is our step number 2. Now, notice that we are multiplying negative number, which means we will reverse the symbol. So from greater than, the symbol now is less than. Again, when you multiply or divide a negative number, you will reverse the inequality symbol. Then we can cancel this out. So the leftover is y. The symbol is less than. 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. So this is the solution. Then graph. We have here negative 16. Right of negative 16, negative 15, negative 14. Here we have negative 17, negative 18. And then negative 16. The symbol is greater than, so that is open circle. So less than, that means the direction is to the left. All numbers to the left of negative 16. But negative 16 is not included. So it starts right here, not at negative 16, since it is not included. So the graph looks like this. This is an example of multi-step inequality. So we have here negative 8 times m plus 2 is less than or equal to 32. So we will write the inequality again. Negative 8 times m plus 2 is less than or equal to 32. And for step 1, we will apply the distributive, or we will use the distributive property. So we will distribute negative 8 to each term inside the parenthesis. So this will be negative 8 times m is negative 8m. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. And then the symbol less than or equal to 32. So this is now our new inequality. So next step, we have step number 2. We have to isolate the variable m. So by doing that, we will eliminate negative 16 and eliminate negative 8. So we will eliminate this first, get rid of negative 16, and then you see her and minus sign. So the inverse for this is addition. So we will add both sides by 16. And then we can cancel this out. So here we are using addition property of inequality. So since we cancel this out, the remaining term is negative 8m. Then the symbol less than or equal to. So work on this. 32 plus 16 will give you 48. So this is now our new inequality. So new inequality, negative 8m is less than or equal to 48. So we will now do step number 3. So negative 8 is multiplied by the unknown m. So since it is multiplied, get the inverse, which is division property of inequality. So in this step, we will use this one, division property of inequality. So since it is multiplied, negative 8 is multiplied by m, the next step is divide this by negative 8 and negative 8. Then cancel this out. So m now is isolated. The symbol less than or equal to. So 48 divided by negative 8 is negative 6. Now, notice that we divide negative number. Remember that when you divide a negative number, you will reverse the inequality symbol. So from less than or equal to, this will become greater than or equal to. And your final answer will be m is greater than or equal to negative 6. So this is now your solution. Then graph the solution. Draw a number line, negative 6 in the middle. Numbers to the right is negative 5, negative 4. Numbers to the left, we have negative 7, negative 8. So we have here negative 6. The symbol is greater than or equal to, which means we will draw a closed circle at negative 6. Which means negative 6 is included. So greater than or equal to, the direction is going to the right. So the solutions is from negative 6 to the right. So greater than negative 6, of which negative 6 is included. I hope you learned something from our lesson today. If you find this video helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified of our next video.